Making music with musical tools? That's obvious. But what if we are making music without musical tools? Hadrah music is identical to Islamic culture. This is widely used in various religious activities or just for entertainment arts. The main element that we will use in this tutorial are bass and tambourine. And so, in this video I will show you all how to make Hadrah music without any musical tools using Mixcraft 9. The equipments are needed. First, the device. It can be laptop, PC, a smartphone, etc. Then you will need audio device such like headphone, headset, speaker, etc. In this tutorial I will use a headphone. Next you will need microphone if you want to using vocal sound, and then you will need a mouse for extra precision while we are mixing this sound. Okay, we next to the steps. First, turn on your device, then connect the audio device with your device. Third, make sure the audio output and input is connected correctly. You can check in the setting. Four, get audio samples for Hadrah. You can find it in many YouTube video or in other source. And here I have downloaded some of audio sample. Next, open the Mixcraft 9 app. Then create a new project with selecting specify settings, then audio tracks, then insert how many tracks we are needed, but it can be added later as needed. Then select the mode switch between beats and time views to beats mode. 8. Set the sets to 8 for time signature to 4/4. Then select the desired tempo speed. Okay, then press OK. Nah, import the desired audio sample by right clicking the track, then selecting add sound file. Or you can also just drag and drop the desired sample into the track. And don't forget to always pay attention to the beginning of each beat to avoid placement mistake, and then you can start mixing. Okay, this is my mixing example. Some addition. Did you see some breakbox that contains a lot of knob at previously? I will explain that. This is a sound effect. It gives us the ability to modify the sound whatever we want. In Hadrah music, usually using sound effect for vocals to enhance the vocalist voice, so that will be more beautiful. For sound effect that I usually use are EQ, here EQ and reverb. EQ stands for equalizer, and reverb. So EQ are used to highlighting or lowering some certain frequencies. Nah, these are some of feeder that represent some band or EQ frequency. For example, if we are not use this equalizer, so now the sound are not that good. But if we use EQ, use equalizer for specifies for drum in this case, nah, the bass sound is more beautiful to be heard. And for reverb Reverb are used to making room effect sounds, so that sound produced seems as if it was taken in a certain room. For example, if we use vocal sound, let's add some audio track and solo it and make it for recording. We are trying to record some vocal. Test. So first without reverb. Okay. Test. Now we adding a reverb to it. Test. The sound is far more beautiful, like in some room. Maybe that. When finished, we can save the beat by selecting File, then Save As. Lastly, if you want to export the audio that has been created, select File, Mix down to, then select the desired format. In this tutorial, I will use this format. Okay, I think that's all the tutorial today. Thank you for watching, and sorry for all of inconvenience, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.